What up? What up? What's going on, man? Got the KFX 400 in the lab today. About to get some work done to it. Just got it fixed. Tightened up the chain on it and fixed the chain adjuster back there. Got to do some more work to it though, but that's not the situation for today. Today we're gonna be putting new graphics on this joint. It's about to be right. I'm show you what these look like though. Just got them all laid out right here. I'm gonna show you one of the pieces. I think these is one of the fenders right here though. Just give you an example of what it's gonna look like though. It's gonna be ready. Yeah, man, everybody go ahead and get this joint right. Wipe the four-wheeler down. Get ready to put these joints up here. I gotta grab some more stuff that I need. But oh yeah, it's about to be it. It's about to get a whole makeover for the KFX 400. And I think on this video, man, we'll do some more stuff too though. Some more stuff we got for put the rest of the hand guards on, the grips on, stuff like that though. But the main topic for this video is gonna be the graphics, so we'll be putting on it. Alright, y'all, this is the current situation. Got the graphics on, man, looking pretty sick. Hey, you know what we found out though? We found out we had to take off the, it was a cover piece on here, it was the black piece, and that's why these front pieces wasn't fitting right. So we had to take those off and replace those onto the actual green plastics here. I don't know, this nose piece was just one whole piece, and that the back fender piece is just one whole piece. But check it out though. Came out looking slick. And put some extra stickers up there. Check them joints out. Nice. It's alright though. She ready. She ready. KFX 400. I'm gonna give y'all another walk around here in a minute. We're gonna do some more stuff to it. Change out the grips and the hand guards. Y'all see it, man. That's what it is right there though. Got the hand guards on that joint and got the grips up there. Ready now though. Ready to do something. Still can't pop no wheelie. Turn up, y'all. We about to be ready though. Oh, let me show y'all my bike too though. Let me show y'all my bike. I put mine in here. I put some extra stickers on mine, man. Some extra little racing stickers and whatnot. Threw some joints on the side right there. And on the opposite side over here. And I put some on my handguard just because my handguards are just all black. So I just threw some joints on them joints. No fear. Yeah. But main event right here, y'all. Y'all see it. She ready? I wish y'all could see this thing in person. It's right. It's right. Turned out pretty good, man. KFX 400. This is the same body style as the LTZ, and it's a couple more got this body style right here though. So it turned out alright though. How many stickers? We got a lot of stickers left too though, man. A lot of stickers didn't get used. Who wants some stickers, man? Who out there wants some stickers? Comment if you want some stickers. We got a lot of these joints we didn't use. For real though. You want some stickers, hit up a comment, man. Say, Beastie, I need some stickers. I can't even get the other pages up though. Yeah. Alright, man, that's my video right there, y'all. Do thank y'all for tuning in, man. It's me, your host, or him. Catch y'all on the next one. Check her out there. On that note, go.